Hi guys, and welcome to Eagle IFX. So I'm happy to be back again and to share with you some of the things that I'm doing. So guys, the intention or my intention sometimes to share this thing is actually I want you to learn something from the videos. Okay, I may not give you the signals per se because I don't think that you can ever become a successful trader if the only thing you're always looking for is for signals. All right, you need to learn the craft, you need to learn the skill, you need to know what to do so that you can be able to do the analysis by yourself. Even if somebody is giving you signals, at the end of the day you need to know how to analyze the market for yourself and be able to execute the trade for yourself. So last night I forgot to share this signal, but this was a beautiful signal on volatility 100. Okay, so I normally trade synthetics, and also I normally trade currencies as well. So there was something I want to teach you on this volatility 100 index. Okay, so I'm on a daily time frame. So by sharing this, I want you to learn something because at the end of the day, I want you to be able to execute the trades for yourself. So you can see that on volatility 100, I'm actually on the daily time frame. So you can see that it's been on a downward trend for such a long time. I mean, since maybe 22nd November 2021, it's been on a downward trend. Then now we see some sort of like correction. Perhaps it might continue. It might continue going down. Okay, so I am interested on there. I'm interested on this move over here. I'm actually interested on this move over here. So you can see that if I zoom this, let me zoom this so I can be able to see. You can see that it's given me a very beautiful pattern here. So this was there. That was where that was a recent high. So you can just put a line over there. Then this was the lows. So you can see that the movement started from here. Okay, the movement started from down there. So you can see that it's been on an upward trend. Okay, beautiful like that. So you can see impulse move correction, perhaps might do an impulse move and then come down. But remember, the overall move is that normally where the impulse move started, the moment it breaks here, always it will come all the way down up to here, or it might actually come up to 90%. So that's why we have what to call the 90% rule. Okay, if you want to understand further the 90% rule, the link is on the description below. You can join my Telegram group, or you can side chat me. Then I can teach you how I normally do my trades and everything. So I drew my trend lines here, so you can see have some touches here and here. Then also down here, I have this my trader like that. So you can see there's a touch here, the touch here, and the touch here. Okay, so this is very clean. I mean, it's a clear sort of pattern you can see over there. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, so you can see beautiful. So the pattern now is you can be able to recognize. So let's correct this. Let's just change this, and then maybe just adjust it quite a little bit. I normally draw my trend lines on the end of the week. Okay, there's some people who draw at the body. Okay, it depends with you, with your personality and how you do your analysis. There's nothing which is wrong and that's nothing which is correct. Okay, so long as you understand the market and everything, that's the most important. That's the most important thing. So you can see that I actually took my trade down here. You can see I took my trade immediately. This candlestick closed. It engulfed this one. Then I entered my buys over here. Then you can see that I'm already in some profits, and then my stop loss is below over there. So why did I take this buy trade? That is the main question and the reason for this video. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and then I can show you. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that when this market came and reached here, the reason why I took this trade is because there was this pattern that formed here. So you can see it was a beautiful pattern that actually formed over there. And to me, this was like this was a signal of a reversal pattern. So I was waiting for a breakout. So immediately I saw the breakout and everything. Then that is when I entered my buys here. I know this is a high risk entry because mostly what people do is that the moment it breaks, they wait for it to retest before they do what? Before they go in. But you can see that I'm already in profit and I've already adjusted my stop loss to somewhere around here just in case it comes down. So I can be able to back this. Okay, you can see it has come up to here. So it might easily come back and then so that it completes this pattern over here, this W pattern over here before it goes up. But anyway, you can still take advantage of the impulse move and eat some few pips before it comes to retest, and then you go in. So on the 1 hour time frame, you see it. I believe also on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see, yes, you can see here. It was very clear now. You can see there. You can see the pattern is here. So it was actually on the 15 minutes time frame. I remember now very well. Actually, you see that on the 15 minutes time frame, there was a breakout and a retest, and I believe I think I entered somewhere around here. Then my stop loss is just somewhere around here. Then you see that I'm targeting this move to the upside. So that is basically it. I saw this channel over here, this falling channel over here. That is when it was a sign to me, because if the market was going down, then it started consolidating to the downside. Then I draw my trend lines, then I wait for a breakout and the retest on the 15 minutes time frame. Then I enter over here, then put my stop loss over here. Then my first target will be here before maybe I can continue holding it to the upside. So that is basically the reason why I took this trade, and I'm going to show you how the trade is doing currently and where we are at now. Okay, so you can see I took a photo here when I took this trade. So the trade is, I took the trade over here, down here, my stop loss here, and then I was targeting this move up to here. So it's a 1:5.19. So you can see the trade is here. So volatility 100. So you can see I took it yesterday at around 7:11. Then I used the loss size was 0.5. You can see I have a stop loss but I don't have a profit. It's very important for you to trade with a stop loss. Okay, trade with a stop loss just in case. Sometimes you'll be wrong. I see the market will, but actually this stop loss is already in profit. I've already adjusted it to break even. So I took 3 trades and you can see that they're already in profits. This is a trade. You can see I took the trade here. So if you look here properly, you see that this was a pattern. So this is 1 hour, but on the 15 minutes you will see it well. There's a break here and there's a retest, and then I entered here. Then you can see that it just went up. Then I have adjusted my stop loss to above entry just in case it comes down, then it doesn't, it closes the profit. So guys, that is what I'm looking at. That is what I'm doing. So make your trading as simple as possible. All right. If you want to learn from me, then the link is on the description below, and then you can always reach out, and then I will show you how we do. So it's very simple. We trade patterns, and you can see that already. We can see that we are in some profit. So we are going to hold this and see if it can come all the way up there. If you can be able to back this almost 5% of our trade. So guys, remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Remember to comment, remember to share, remember to hit that notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you don't miss out. Thank you guys for watching. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.